Good morning from Shillong. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and I will be directly going to Siliguri today. He'll go back to his home and it's 9. Probably I will reach Siliguri by 7:30, 8 in the evening. Well, it's a long ride. It will be around 600 kilometers. 600 kilometers. Well, let's continue the journey.
Been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his kids, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his face. And clearly I don't see myself upon the list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna rest? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this.
So we have reached Guwahati and I will be riding back to Siliguri now. It's time to say goodbye. We will stay here. His home is here, so in the journey.
End of our journey. And make sure you hit the like button if you like the video, and make sure if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel.
Okay, see you then.
See ya. Take care.
I want something just like
around 170 kilometers. Siliguri is more 261 kilometers. Bike is performing great. The roads are good till now, but probably after crossing Bongaigaon, entering Alipurduar, the roads will be bad, and it will take me around, it's showing that it will take me around 6 hours, but I don't know how much time it will take. I'm tired. I think I will take a small break at Bongaigaon.
अब तो है इस तरह, ख्वाबों को भी जगह ना मिले। ये मौसम की बारिश, ये बारिश का पानी, ये पानी की बूंदे तुझे ही तो ढूंढे। ये मिलने की ख्वाहिश, ये ख्वाहिश पुरानी, पूरी तुझी से मेरी ये कहानी।
I am at Jalpaiguri and now I am having tea with my friends Devmallo and Orko. They are my college friends. Siliguri is more 40 kilometers. Also, one of my friends is coming he's on the way. He's coming to meet me and we will ride together to Siliguri. We will meet probably 20-25 kilometers from here. So that's it.
some superhero, some fairy tale bliss.
So I am back home and the Shillong, Meghalaya, Assam journey was amazing. I really enjoyed the ride. The last stretch was not that great. The route from Alipurduar to Siliguri wasn't that great, but the journey from Guwahati, Shillong, Cherrapunji, Tauki, Tamabil was extraordinary. It was really very good. I suggest you please go there. Please explore the Northeast. It's totally different from any other places in India, and you can't relate anything with the Northeast to any other parts of India. So I suggest you please do visit the Northeast India. It's really very beautiful. And I would like to thank Ronit for giving me such a great companion in the ride. And I would like to thank Ashok for picking me up from Belakopa to Siliguri. So ये vlog मैं यहीं पर खत्म करने वाला हूँ. Thank you for watching my video guys. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो like करके जाना. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. And do follow me on Instagram at vlogger_h. We'll be meeting you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.